The sun beats down on the dry, dusty earth of the savanna. Tall grasses, bleached gold by the heat, sway gently in the warm breeze. Nothing seems to stir. But wait, look closer. Down among the tangled roots and fallen leaves, something is moving. It is a slow, deliberate crawl, a pattern of diamond-shaped scales gliding over the ground. This is the realm of the viper, a master of camouflage and patience. It moves with a quiet confidence, its body a perfect match for the dappled light filtering through the grass. It is not in a hurry. It knows that its world is one where waiting is the key to survival, a silent promise of the danger that lies hidden in plain sight. This incredible creature is built for ambush. Its journey is not a long one. It is simply finding the perfect spot to wait. Perhaps it will settle near a game trail, a narrow path worn into the dirt by small mammals. Here it will coil its powerful body, creating a living spring of muscle and scales. It becomes part of the landscape, indistinguishable from the scattered leaves and shadows. Its head, a perfectly shaped arrowhead, rests motionless, pointing towards the path. Hours can pass like this, with the snake showing almost no sign of life. It is a statue carved by nature, a patient predator biding its time until an unsuspecting meal wanders within striking distance. Every sense is on high alert. While its eyesight is good, especially for detecting movement, it relies on something far more primal. It can taste the air with its flickering tongue, gathering chemical information about its surroundings. Is there a mouse nearby? Has a lizard recently passed this way? These are the questions its brain processes from tiny scent particles. The viper is a living trap, set and ready. Its existence is a testament to efficiency, a creature that has honed the art of the surprise attack to an incredible degree. It doesn't waste energy chasing its food, it lets its food come to it, a strategy that has made vipers some of the most successful predators on the planet. Suddenly, a field mouse, busy searching for seeds, scurries along the trail. It is completely unaware of the danger that lies just inches away. The viper remains frozen, a coiled statue of impending doom, its muscles tense, its focus absolute. The mouse pauses, sniffing the air, and in that split second the viper explodes into action. It strikes with blinding speed, a blur of motion that is almost too fast for the eye to follow. The attack is a marvel of natural engineering, a perfectly timed and executed maneuver that leaves no room for error. The silent wait is over, and the hunter has claimed its prize, demonstrating the raw power hidden within its patient form. What makes a viper such an incredible predator? It all starts with its most famous feature, its fangs. These are not just ordinary teeth. Imagine two long, hollow needles like the ones a doctor uses for a shot. Vipers have fangs that are so long they have to be folded back against the roof of their mouth when not in use, tucked away in a fleshy sheath. When the viper strikes, its mouth opens incredibly wide, sometimes almost 180 degrees, and a special set of bones rotates to swing the fangs forward, locking them into place. This amazing system allows them to deliver a deep, penetrating bite, injecting their venom precisely where it needs to go. It is a highly advanced, biological delivery system for their potent chemical weapon. Next is the venom itself, a complex cocktail of powerful toxins. This is not just a simple poison, it is a sophisticated substance designed to do two jobs very quickly. First, it works to immobilize the prey, stopping it from running away and fighting back. Second, it starts to pre-digest the animal's tissues from the inside out. This makes the meal easier for the snake to swallow and digest later. Different vipers have different types of venom. Some have hemotoxins, which attack the blood and circulatory system, while others have cytotoxins that destroy cells and tissue. This venom is produced in special glands located behind the eyes, making the viper's head look wide and triangular, a classic warning sign in the wild. Vipers also have extraordinary senses to help them hunt, especially in the dark. Many species like rattlesnakes and copperheads belong to a group called pit vipers. They get this name from the special heat-sensing pits located between their eyes and nostrils. These organs are so sensitive they can detect tiny changes in temperature, allowing the viper to see the heat signature of a warm-blooded animal like a mouse or a bird, even in complete darkness. It gives them a thermal image of their world, a superpower that makes them incredibly accurate nighttime hunters. Their eyes are also well suited for low light, with pupils that can open wide just like a cat's, to let in as much light as possible. The final piece of the puzzle is their hunting strategy, the ambush. A viper is a master of patience. Instead of chasing down its prey, it uses its incredible camouflage to blend in perfectly with its surroundings. Whether it's the leaf litter of a forest floor, the sand of a desert, or the rocks of a mountain slope, the viper's color and pattern make it nearly invisible. It will lie in wait for hours, sometimes even days, perfectly still until a victim wanders into striking range. When that moment comes, the strike is explosive and precise. This energy-saving method allows the viper to thrive, waiting for the perfect opportunity to use its deadly tools with maximum effect. The viper family is incredibly diverse, with species found on almost every continent except for Australia and Antarctica. Each one is uniquely adapted to its specific environment. In the deserts of the Middle East and Africa, you might find the sidewinder. This snake is famous for its strange, looping movement, which allows it to travel across hot, shifting sand with minimal body contact. This sidewinding locomotion is an amazing adaptation that helps it survive in one of the harshest environments on Earth. In the dense rainforests of Southeast Asia, lives the beautiful but deadly Wagler's pit viper, often found resting on tree branches, waiting for birds or lizards to pass by. One of the most famous vipers is the Russell's viper, found across India and Southeast Asia. This snake is responsible for a large number of snake bites on humans because its habitat often overlaps with agricultural areas where people work. It has a notoriously short temper and a powerful hemotoxic venom. Its beautiful, chain-like pattern provides excellent camouflage in grassy and rocky terrain. On the other side of the world, in the Americas, we have the rattlesnakes. These are the only vipers with a built-in warning system, the rattle at the end of their tail. It is made of interlocking segments of keratin, the same stuff our fingernails are made of, and when shaken, it produces a sound that says, "Stay away." Africa is home to some of the most impressive vipers, including the legendary gaboon viper. This snake is a heavyweight champion. It has the longest fangs of any snake, sometimes over 2 inches long, and it delivers the largest quantity of venom in a single bite. Despite its fearsome reputation, the gaboon viper is known for its remarkably calm and placid nature. Its body is covered in a stunning geometric pattern of rectangles and triangles in shades of brown, pink, and purple, making it look like a rich, velvety carpet on the forest floor. This incredible camouflage makes it almost impossible to spot among the leaves. From the tiny spider-tailed horned viper of Iran, which uses its unique tail lure to trick birds into coming closer, to the massive bushmaster of Central and South America, the largest viper in the world, this family of snakes showcases nature's incredible creativity. Each species has its own set of survival tools, its own hunting style, and its own unique place in its ecosystem. They are a perfect example of adaptive radiation where a single ancestral group has evolved into a wide variety of forms to fill different ecological niches. This global family of fanged predators is a testament to the success of their specialized design. While their venomous bite can be dangerous, vipers play a crucial role in maintaining the health of their ecosystems. Think of them as nature's pest control service. In many parts of the world, vipers feed primarily on rodents like mice and rats. These small mammals can reproduce very quickly, and if their populations are not kept in check, they can destroy crops and spread disease. By preying on these animals, vipers help to maintain a natural balance, protecting plant life and preventing the spread of illnesses that could affect other wildlife and even humans. They are a key part of the food web, an essential link that helps keep everything in harmony. Surprisingly, these formidable predators are also a source of life-saving medicine for people. Scientists have discovered that the complex proteins in viper venom can be used to create powerful drugs. For example, certain compounds that affect blood pressure have been developed from the venom of a Brazilian pit viper to create medications that treat heart conditions and high blood pressure. Other venom components are being studied for their potential to treat strokes, cancer, and other serious diseases. It's an incredible irony. The very substance that can be so deadly in the wild holds the key to healing and saving human lives in the laboratory. Despite their importance, vipers around the world are facing serious threats. The biggest danger is habitat loss. As forests are cleared for farming and cities expand into wild areas, vipers are losing the homes they need to survive. They are forced into smaller spaces and are more likely to come into contact with humans, which often ends badly for the snake. Pollution and climate change also impact their survival. It is important to remember that these animals are not evil or aggressive. They are simply trying to live as nature intended. They only strike at humans when they feel threatened and have no other choice. For all these reasons, vipers deserve our respect, not our fear. They are not monsters to be destroyed but are fascinating and vital components of the natural world. Understanding their behavior is the key to coexisting safely. If you ever see one in the wild, the best thing to do is to give it plenty of space. Do not try to catch it or harm it, simply back away slowly and let it go on its way. By protecting their habitats and learning to appreciate their role, we can ensure that these magnificent hunters continue to thrive, maintaining the delicate balance of their ecosystems and holding potential secrets for future medical breakthroughs. They are a wild wonder, worthy of our admiration.